Hey friends, look what we're making today. This beautiful Highland cow wreath, and all the attachments could be found on my website. The link is below. You could buy it as a set or you can purchase separately. And we have the cows in 2 different colors and lots of beautiful bows. We're going to start with a pine base that we are going to dress up with our Highland cow, our beautiful crystal bow, and lots of beautiful mesh and different flowers. So again, you could use this as a set or separately. The attachments are fairly large, so when we construct our wreath, I'm going to show you how to best place them. And we are going to start by adding our cruffles. The mesh is about 20 to 24 inches. We're simply rolling it in and scrunching in the center, alternating the colors. My frame has 2 rings, so I'm going on the outer edge first, and then I'm also going to fill in the inside of the frame so we get a nice full round wreath. So you just want to continue filling along. I used regular mesh and I also used poly burlap. And with the poly burlap, you want to make sure that the ends are tied in so you don't see the fraying of it. So you just continue alternating. I'm using 3 different colors, filling in the outside. Now I'm going to fill in the inside of my wreath. And by the time we are done, the white pine base will not be shown. It's just helping us to hold all our beautiful mesh, and also it does give us a very substantial base when we are inserting flowers so that the glue and the flowers are catching onto something more solid than the mesh. Once we are done filling, what I like to do is I like to take my wreath, push out all my mesh, and then kind of like squeeze it in a little bit. That allows us to make the wreath a little bit more oval, and simply because being so large, we want to have clearance with our door. Because our attachments are so large, I'm going to go ahead and place my beautiful Highland cow. This is the white version. However, we also have a light pink and a light gray version of the cow. And the links are going to be below. Then I'm going to attach my bow. And again, the bows, the crystal bows, come in different colors. So please check the link below and pick the one that you best like. I happen to like pink. And we're going to go ahead and attach it. I wanted to put it on the bottom of the Highland cow. However, you can also very well put it on top. We're going to use some 60919, some other fillers, lots of greenery, and we're also going to use some white daisies. They can be picked up at your local store. We're going to start adding in my daisies, which I wanted them to crown my Highland cow. You'll see slowly will form the whole beautiful design. And for the flowers, you want to make sure that you do a uniform look all around, making sure you maintain the shape of your wreath and making sure that we also fill the sides of our wreath, not just the front. So we're slowly going to go in and add, making sure that we are balancing everything that we are doing. So 60919 in a few different colors. It is available on my website, so please check the link below. So again, we are slowly going in, following our triangle method to fill in all our flowers, making sure that we also fill in the sides. And here we are, adding the pretty crown to our pretty cow. And friends, I really do want to invite you to come and watch us on Facebook during our lives. Lots of questions are answered, lots of different things we talk about with our friends, and it's a lot of fun. Okay, so again, continue to fill, making sure you maintain the shape of your wreath. And with this type of wreath, you can fill as much or as little as you want because the mesh will be there to be your base as well. I just wanted it to be airy, and this is one of the other options of bows in the lavender, so that's entirely up to you. This is our finished project, friends. Look how pretty she looks in all her sparkly glory. And this is our crystal bow. So make sure you follow the link below and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.